Tapping off the main feeders of a panel to supply a fuse disconnect may be a legal connection, but it depends on specific factors and compliance with the National Electrical Code. Article 240.21. B2 addresses taps to the main service conductors and permits them provided they are suitable for the ampacity of the conductors being tapped. Article 250.92. A4 addresses taps to ground and dictates they shall not exceed 10 feet in length and shall be made to the grounded conductor at a point where the grounded conductor is accessible. For the tap to be legal, it must meet certain conditions. Firstly, the main feeders must be sized and rated for the total load, including the fuse disconnect. Secondly, the tap must be made at a point where the conductors are accessible for maintenance and inspection. Thirdly, the tap must be made using a suitable method, such as a bolted mechanical connector. Fourthly, the tap must not exceed 10 feet in length. Fifthly, the tap must be made to a grounded conductor, if applicable. Some installation considerations must be made. Since the disconnect is 6 feet away from the panel, the tap length would be within the 10-foot limit. Make sure the main feeders are large enough to handle the additional load of the disconnect. A qualified electrician must install the tap per code requirements. It is highly recommended to consult with a licensed electrician or local code official to confirm the legality of the tap. They can assess the specific installation and verify compliance with the National Electrical Code.